Alright, my friends, I'm here today on a Sunday just to let you know I didn't forget about everybody. Today I've been engaged in a little bit of a spring cleaning here to get things squared away, so I figured I'd give you a little sneak peek at some of the stuff I'll be working on this year as we progress. So things that were hidden in the garage, there was a new acquisition that I needed to make some space for, so you know, I had to pull everything out of the garage and mess around with it and get it out, so I figured I'd give you guys a little trick. Here's the twin, well, not twins, but the 69 sitting here. This is an early build car, October of 68, L89, and this is our not late, this is a mid 69. This is around VIN number 17,000 February car. Here's our orange 76 that we like to cruise around in, and I detail, of course. And there's our other car there. There's our Formula 350 with another Corvette in the back. I'm not going to talk about much because I'll talk about that one later, but that one is really cool. And then there's our Formula 350 R91 that we use as a daily beater. And of course there's our channel avatar icon, actually uncovered for once. I really don't uncover it very often, which I'm kind of ashamed of, but he sits here in the garage lonely, but now I've cleaned it up and brought it back out. I really like the Marina Blue. Kind of the cool thing about this one is that it alright, my apologies there, I was in mid-thought and I realized my camera battery was dead. So anyway, little spring cleaning here we conducted, got the garage cleaned up for, like I said, a different newer arrival that I've got here now. And of course there's our channel avatar. I try not to ignore it very often, but I'll probably detail a little bit more on this car later. As you can see, for you old school guys, yes, this is a 427/67 Corvette. White, Marina Blue, white, blue interior with 74,462 miles on it as of right now. Of course, I'm ashamed to admit I don't drive it as much as I should, or I probably haven't driven as much. You know, simply life, marriage, kids, the whole thing. You know, it gets in the way. But you know, the joke about the Corvette guy or the painter, that his house looks the worst on the street because he's usually too busy tearing apart or painting other people's houses. So same can be said for the Corvette parts guy. I'm busy selling parts or tearing down cars and ignore the other pieces of inventory that actually are not parts cars. So it's okay, but got a few you know, things done for the day, just to highlight some of the things I'll probably be trying to focus on for you guys. I'll actually probably do a little tear down on this engine here. I think some of you will probably know what that is. That's not just your run-of-the-mill special or regular Corvette motor. That is actually a quite special engine. So I will probably tear down and clean that one up here in the next couple of months. You know, get to it. Of course, there's my pile of Corvette parts in the corner. This is my personal stash. You know, things like that. And then of course I'll be talking about this car later. I've got actually a really cool story to tell you about this one, guys. So make sure you subscribe so you can get the notification when I finally talk about it. I kind of walked by it a little bit when we were out there, but yeah, this one's pretty neat, guys. So we'll talk about that one a little bit later. But yeah, all right. So that's our Sunday, guys. This is what I spend my Sundays doing, in addition to taking care of all the kids and all the other good stuff I got to do. So thanks for hanging with me, and I'll check back with you guys later on this week. We'll see you then.